Hello everyone. Look at this beautiful 911. 1966. It's been prepared as a 2-liter cup racing car. Has a FIA passport until 2031. Extremely unique, gorgeous, awesome Porsche. It is a racer's dream and it is a collector's dream. Now, when I'm making this video, the car is actually sold, and it has been sold to this company, Imtiaz Developments. They are into construction, they develop buildings, houses, communities. I have not seen much of them yet. There it says Raw District Dubai. But from what I've seen, they work with a mentality that reflects high quality, luxury. And I guess that is the reason why they decided to have this beauty at their launch to showcase maybe a certain lifestyle. I am not sure. But we delivered the car today here. And I just noticed, look at the color of the car and their interior colors. It is like a proper match, beautiful match. And I think, let's see, I look forward to their launch. Maybe we'll see what it is. And it's just the perfect car for the perfect launch. And maybe even for the development here, because it does say a kind of Raw District Dubai. So let's see. I'll show you a bit of the car. It's been modified to a FIA spec. There you go, 2-liter cup. Beautiful. Awesome. Proper racing car. Look at that seat. There's the roll cage. This has been done by some company in Belgium. The previous owner who bought this car and brought it to Dubai was actually intending to race this car. But for some reason, I think this championship got cancelled. So he decided to sell it. Let's have a look at the passenger seat. How awesome is this? All right, guys. Well, we look forward to the launch. And if we're around, we'll make another video and how the car looks at the launch. For now, I would like to wish the owners and the team of Imtiaz Developments all the best. And hopefully after the launch, maybe the owners can enjoy this car on the road. Let's see. All the best.